Hello guys, and welcome back to another class of our course about the complete introduction to Photoshop. So as you can see, until now we have created a basic Photoshop project that is a picture where we have written a code. So what we'll do in this class, it's pretty simple. We are going to talk a little bit more about layers. So I'm just gonna bring a little introduction to this topic and some basic Photoshop things that you can do to work with layers. So what exactly is a layer? Basically, a layer is an object. So when you will import a picture right here, it's gonna automatically be generated in a new layer. So let's take once again our past picture and we bring it right there. So as you can see, it's generated as another picture right here. Another thing that is pretty important to understand is the layer order. So let's say, for example, that I put my layer, my picture layer at the beginning right here. What's gonna happen is that it's gonna be in front of my text. So basically what's happening right now is that I can't see my text because basically the picture is in front. So that is a problem, even if my text is written right here. So pretty important, the order of the layers will allow us to know what comes first and what comes last. So basically, let's say I put my text right here, I put my picture right here, and I start to play with my text. So let's take this text right there, and I want to put it in front of never give up. So basically, this text right here will come in front of this text right here. But if I change the order, so basically if I take this text and I put it in front, what's happening is that it's going to change right here as well. So basically the order of the layers is pretty important as well. So as I said, basically it all starts with a layer that is an object. So basically an object means that an object could be a text, an object could be a picture as well. So it starts with this. So to be able to, for example, put one layer in front of another, or basically to add a text in front of a picture, so on a picture, it's pretty simple. You just create another layer and you put it in front of the picture. If you want to add a text in front of another text, so in this case, if I want to put the by me in front of the never give up, I just change the order and it's gonna automatically change the order right here. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. So another thing that you guys can do with your layers is modify their type. So basically, let's try it out with one text. So let's try it out with the never give up text. So first thing that you can do, you can modify the type of not the type of text, but the type of luminosity and the lightning and all this stuff. So basically, you can see it right here. I can modify it. There is plenty of different types, and I can modify my text right here. So pretty simple and pretty interesting. So same thing with my picture. So I can modify my picture type. So as you can see, it's there are different picture types that I can actually have. So it's pretty cool. Some are more light, some are less light. So it's pretty interesting. Let's keep it normal. Another thing that you guys can do, for example, you wanna have less opacity. You wanna make a ghost, not a ghost element, but how we can say it. You wanna make something that is less opaque. So basically, like a ghost. So pretty simple. Let's select our text right here. So the never give up text, and we'll just change the opacity. So instead of 100%, we are going to reduce it. So as you can see, it just becomes a little bit more fluid, a little bit more, we can see it less, but once again, it gives a certain style, which is pretty cool to our project. And we can do this for all of our layers. So for example, we want to change our opacity for this layer right here as well. It's possible. So as I said, you can do pretty much anything you want for, you can do anything you want for with your layers. Pretty simple. You simply select them. So first thing that is pretty important, the layer order. So as I said, first of all, layer order. Then when your order is perfect, what you want to do is you can add for the pictures, of course, you can modify the type of, not the type of the picture, but basically all the lightning and all the stuff. It's gonna be right here. So right now I'm playing with the text right there. So let's just select the picture. As you can see, I can change my picture type, so I can make it more, well, the luminosity more luminous, less luminous. Basically, I choose how I want it. So when it's all done, I can then decide my opacity level. So if I want my picture to be really, really like seen or less seen. And basically, right now I'm doing this with the picture that is in the background. So basically this picture right here. But the thing is, when you have a lot of elements inside of your picture, so let's say I have, I don't know, 10 or 20 layers. Basically, when you're working with just one layer, it's, I don't know, it's pretty, it's way simpler. It's not like the background picture. Usually, normally the background picture, you don't add a lot of modifications right here. You can modify it with like the lightning and all this stuff directly on the picture, but not with those, not with the elements right here. But you can do it as well, and right now you know that you can do it, well, you can of course use those elements right here to modify your picture as well. So right now you have a little introduction to layers. You know how it works, and now you know how to put your text directly on the layer or put a picture in front of another picture with the layers that you have. So that's it for this class, guys, and see you all in our next class.